Well, hi there, I'm Shelley Wood. Welcome to my YouTube channel. You may have stumbled across my tutorial videos and wondered, how do I find the right pattern for the doll I'm sewing for? So I'm going to take you on a quick tour of shelleywood.com, my website, so you understand how to find the exact pattern you need for your doll. So let's say you sew for a 15-inch doll. You'll notice that when you first go to shelleywood.com, there's a gallery with links to patterns, and it asks, what size doll are you sewing for? You need to scroll down and decide which size your doll is, and you may need to take some measurements to decide how big your doll is. If you're sewing for, say, a 15 or 16-inch doll, you would click on this particular link. It says 13 inches to 16.5 inches. It even offers that in metric, so you know it's 31 to 42 centimeters. Once you click on that, it takes you to another link. It even shows some common dolls in this size, 13 to 16 inch doll size. So let's say I'm sewing for this velvet doll. She's a vintage doll from the Ideal Toy Corporation. So I would click on that particular doll, Velvet Dolls, right here. Now you'll notice these are all in alphabetical order for your convenience. So if I were sewing, say, for the American Girl Welly Wishers, it's at the bottom of the alphabet. If I'm sewing for a Disney Toddler Princess doll, it's at the top. So I click on my Velvet Dolls, and then I look for which outfit looks most interesting to me. Which one do I think I could sew? Maybe you have limited skills and you're just learning to sew. You might not want to pick something that has, for example, pleats in it. Maybe you should go with something felt that looks very simple like this. So once you click on the outfit you want to make, you may discover that this doll isn't the same. This is the Chrissy doll from the same family of dolls. This happens frequently because I find that the dolls can wear the same patterns. So down here it will tell you today's free printable PDF skirt and shirt patterns will fit the following dolls, and the vintage velvet doll is right here from the Chrissy family of dolls, and it says that it will fit her. So if you see that it's the wrong doll pictured there, be patient, scroll down, and it even says at the top, scroll down to the second set of bullets for the free PDF sewing patterns. Now, I do recommend that you read this text because I offer suggestions for things like which fabrics to use. Sometimes I even give you links to things that are hard to find, like the right size snaps or belt buckles for dolls. So it's a good idea to read through the text and then go down to the patterns that you want. Here's my free PDF sewing pattern. I click on that, and then I can easily download this. Now, some of them don't link out to a separate page, so you might need to go back after you print your pattern and look for the tutorials you need. So it has a pattern here for the shirt, a pattern for the skirt, how to make the skirt, and then how to make the shirt. So when you link out to the skirt, it has a tutorial for that. You can go back and link out to the shirt, and it gives you a tutorial for that. And again, you may see different dolls pictured in the tutorials, but be aware that this doll may match in size with the velvet doll that you're sewing for. Alright, so that's my tutorial. If you stay with me a little bit, I'll talk to you about some of the classes that I offer. So not a bad idea to stick around for a minute and learn about classes offered by me, Shelley Wood. What if there was an easy way to take a big doll pattern and resize it to fit a little doll, or vice versa? I'm Shelley Wood, the doll clothing designer, and in my pattern alteration class, I'm going to share with you my resizing formula. Pattern alteration is when you take a pattern that you already own and you make changes to it. Let's say a dress doesn't fit your doll quite right. I'll show you how to create a gusset to extend the dress's bodice. Along the same lines, I'll show you how to use a doll's body measurements to lengthen and shorten shirt sleeves, and to recreate the pants patterns you already own so they will fit dolls of different shapes and sizes. Following my instructions, you'll learn how to reshape dresses and skirts, making them fuller or less full depending on the look you're going for. With this collection of more than 40 videos, you'll use my measurement guide and dozens of tips and tricks to create a full wardrobe for the doll or dolls of your choice. I invite you to join me. We are going to have so much fun.